What's up, everybody, and how are you guys doing? I know this has kind of been a while since we've done a video where you see me. I apologize for that. If you've kind of been in the Discord, if you've been checking out the community tab here on YouTube, then you know that I'm kind of dealing with a lot right now, and I'm hoping to kind of have some information for you guys soon. But that's not really what this video is about. This video is going to be a kind of an unboxing video. I kind of have a surprise. I actually got this a few weeks ago, and I just haven't had time to open it. And I had mentioned, I think in a live stream, that I had something from Japan that I wanted to open with you guys. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna open up this mystery box. I don't know if it's really a mystery anymore, but it has some Pikachus on it. And I got this a few weeks ago. Actually, I ordered it before our local Go Fest happened. And as you can tell, I'm just now getting around to it. I had originally hoped that when I did this video, I would have some good news about Go Fest Japan, specifically the one in Sapporo. And unfortunately, as of right now, it is now the second week of July and Japan is still not open. The only people that can go to Japan right now are people who have resident visas, people who have family there, students and business travelers, and also tourists on like tour packages, which I have looked and there are no tour packages for Go Fest in Sapporo. So I'm not shoveling out $8,000 to go to Japan for a few days. It's not feasible. I don't make really any money off of YouTube at all. And as you can see, my kitty is here. She has decided to come say hi. Grumpy. She just woke up from a nap. Can you say hi? No. Anyways, Grumpy Cat is here to help us open up this box from Japan today. And I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of show you real fast so you can kind of see it. I don't know if it's gonna really show up on camera, but yeah, so there we go. It is officially from Japan, as you can see here. And yeah, we're gonna open this up together and I'll kind of show you what's inside. I know what's inside, but you guys don't. But anyways, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you're new here. Here we go. Anyways, let's get into it. I am not really certain because of this packaging here, but we'll go ahead and we'll just take the packaging, like the stuff off here first. The packaging slip is out. Now, like I said, I did order this a few weeks ago and I'm not sad about my purchase, but I really wanted it to kind of coincide with actually being able to go to Go Fest in Sapporo, and unfortunately I can't do that. I will also go ahead and put a link in the description of this video of the company that I used in order to get this. Ow, I just hurt my finger. I used a company. Basically what I did is I ordered some stuff from this website in Japan, and because it does not ship internationally, I had to basically have a third party kind of receive the package in Japan and then mail it to me, and they can do this to all over the world. So like I said, I'll put a link in the description of this video. Oh my goodness, this tape that they used is so strong. Okay, all right. Only got one side open. But yeah, anyways, I'm excited to open this because it has some cool stuff in it, and I'm curious to see how big it is. Okay, apparently ripping it is better than just trying to pry it open. Yeah, anyways, so I do kind of want to talk just a little bit while we are kind of opening this box here. This is about the size of the box. And kind of just about the channel in general, because I know a lot of you have been commenting, where's the Pokemon Go videos? Like, why is it just Arc right now? And honestly, Arc is so much easier for me to record and edit than for me to do Pokemon Go videos, especially because right now I'm just not motivated with Pokemon Go. I was really keeping my hopes up for Go Fest in Sapporo, and obviously that isn't a thing. But yeah, anyways, there will be more Pokemon Go videos, I promise. It's just I'm so busy with life right now, and trying to keep content going on the channel. I want to stream again some more. It's just right now there's no really raid hour Pokemon that I want to be raiding because they've been out for a while, and because we don't even get free remote passes anymore. Like the weekly 1-coin boxes are pretty much a joke at this point. Like they were so good for so long, and now, I mean, what was it? Berries and Pokeballs last week? Like, come on, Niantic, like, oh, anyways. I'm not gonna rant about Niantic in today's video. It's just, I'm not motivated to play too much, or it's not so much that I'm not playing, it's just that I'm not motivated to make videos. There's nothing for me to make videos on besides kind of guides and how-tos, which I will probably do in the future. But until then, you know, bear with me. I'm trying to stick with it. It's really hard because there's just not much going on right now in Pokemon Go. Especially because I can't be kind of building up hype for Sapporo, because the only people who can go to Sapporo are business travelers and people spending $9,000 on a 7-day trip, which I can't do. I don't make money off of YouTube, so I can't afford that. Anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at our unboxing video now. So we're gonna go ahead and just take this off. Okay, so I know what the first thing is in here. I will go ahead and just pull out this little kind of thing here. So the company that I used is called Remembo, and like I said, it's gonna be linked in the description of the video. And essentially, yeah, you know, you can order things. They go to, you basically order through the website, and then once everything arrives that you want, then they can ship it to you. So pretty easy, pretty convenient. The only downside is international shipping is expensive. So yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the very first thing in this box, and it's a Dragonair. I thought this thing was gonna be a lot bigger, I'm not gonna lie. But you know what? It's cute. I definitely thought that this was gonna be like not this size, but like this size. You know what? It's cute. The only downside is I don't know if this thing can actually kind of, it sits on its own, but it's a little bit crooked, so I might need to like bend it like this for a little bit to try and get it to go. But yeah, anyways, I got this cute little Dragonair plushie. It's so tiny. And yes, this box is 100% from the Pokemon Center in Japan. So that's the thing, is the Pokemon Center in Japan does not ship internationally. You can order through a company like Remembo, but they don't ship internationally. But yeah, so I got this because I thought it was super duper cute, and I'm not disappointed. I wish it was bigger, because this thing was like $12 or $14. It's little. It's super little. I wonder if the price is even on the thing. It's not. But yeah, anyways, Japan is expensive. The Pokemon Center in Japan is expensive. Actually, I think, yeah, it was like $12. So I thought it would be bigger, but it's like the size of my face, which I guess I have a small face then because this thing is tiny. So yeah, anyways, a Dragonair. There we go. Now, I only ordered 2 things from the Pokemon Center in Japan. And one of them does actually have to do with Pokemon Go. It is the only way that I could actually get this, because the online Niantic store didn't have it. It completely sold out. And I had seen a post somewhere and I tried to find it again, but they had made a comment that eventually these would be available in the Japan Pokemon Go Center store, or Pokemon Center store. And yeah, anyways, so this is the other item here. This is the official Pokemon Go Fest 2022 t-shirts. Yep, I ordered one, and the only way to get it was literally to order it from Japan, which worked out because Japan's not super far from me. I'm not sure how loud this crinkling is, but it's quite loud. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open this up, and I hope it fits, because there really weren't any good size measurements on it. And I think it was also one size fits all, like men and women together. So the quality seems pretty nice. Like, it feels soft. Let's see here. Okay. So something interesting enough, it actually has the Pokemon Center logo. I don't know if the regular like GoFest shirts that were sold from Niantic have this logo, but this one actually has the Pokemon Center logo on it. And yeah, anyways, here's our t-shirt. This definitely is going to fit. But yeah, I got myself a GoFest 2022 t-shirt, and on the back it actually has the GoFest logo. This is kind of like the first ever Pokemon shirt I think I've ever bought, to be fair, like an actual one. And I apologize if you start to see the white hairs everywhere. It's because I have a white dog who has somehow never made it into one of my videos because she just sleeps all day long. And she's super shy. But yeah, anyways, here is our GoFest 2022 t-shirt. I actually really like it. I think it's cute. This is a size medium. I don't know if they still have these available because like I said, I ordered this like a month ago. And I actually placed my order before GoFest happened here locally, but obviously it didn't come until after, so that's why I didn't open it until now. But yeah, anyways, here's my GoFest 2022 t-shirt. Here it is! So yeah, this is my haul from the Pokemon Center store in Japan. Actually got this all from Japan, and I guess my biggest disappointment is just the Dragonair. It's super itty bitty tiny, like it's really, really small. I wanted it to be a little bit bigger, but it's still cute anyways. I just gotta try and figure out a way for it to actually not fall over when it stands up, because it sits on my hand okay, but like on a flat surface, it just goes boop. So yeah, anyways, that's kind of the whole video today. I wanted to just kind of open up this box with you, share some information. I promise Pokemon Go is not going anywhere on the channel. It's just, I'm so busy with life, like I don't have very much motivation to, because I spent a lot of time planning out my Pokemon Go videos, and I mean, the weather here has also been really bad. If you can't tell, it probably looks quite bright, but it has literally been raining for like 2 weeks. And so I'm not going outside, I'm not doing that many activities outside, and there's just not much for me to do when it comes to filming Pokemon Go right now. So I do apologize for that. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna keep filming, I'm gonna keep recording and stuff like that. There will be more Pokemon Go in the future. I promise! Pokemon's not going anywhere. It's like my favorite game ever. Plus we've got the brand new Scarlet and Violet coming out in a few months, I believe. So that'll be really exciting. I will definitely have that on the channel for you guys. I hope you guys have checked out the Arc series, not the Poke Arc series, because that unfortunately had to get canceled because of PC issues. But yeah, anyways, you know, check out the Arc channel, the Arc Fjorder series. I enjoy it a lot, and it's been super fun so far. I've actually got like 5 episodes recorded, but I have to release them all to you guys, so be prepared for a lot of Arc this week as well. And yeah, you know what? I hope you guys just, you know, have a little patience with me. I am trying to work on all the crazy stuff going on in real life. I hope to have an official announcement about changes coming maybe in the next week. I'm supposed to find out more information on Friday, hopefully, and that'll kind of be my big decision day, I suppose. I don't really know. I'm really just kind of waiting at this point. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit that like button. I do appreciate it. The channel has grown a lot recently, and I love all of you new guys. We're gonna start having streams again once I can kind of not feel kind of so overwhelmed and stressed out during the weeks. Yeah, it's been a lot. I haven't even streamed on Twitch in like 2 weeks, so have patience with me. We're gonna start bringing back new games Sundays as well, don't worry. Last weekend I ended up not having very much sleep. I traveled around, I went to the city I might be moving to, and I got home and I slept for like 12 hours because I was just so tired, because I was walking around looking at apartments all day. So yeah, anyways, like I said, I'm rambling, so hit that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and lots of love to you guys, and I will catch you all in the next one.